Hello everyone, in this video, we will discuss our Arduino Lab activity number 2, titled Running Light. So our task is to make an LED turn on one after another, moving sequentially across the digital pins. After reaching the last pins, the cycle repeats. So parang gagawin natin dito is running light. Then make a code for that, test it in Proteus, then lastly on a breadboard. So the problem is to create a program that controls a single bit running light that moves from digital pin 0 to digital pin 13 on an Arduino Uno board with a 1 second interval for each LED. So let's go to the code. So first, we need to set all the pins that we want to control or yung magiging output natin using pin mode. So from pin 0 to pin 13, yun yung magiging output natin based din dun sa given problem. Inside the loop function, we first turn on the first pin, which is yung 0 to high. We use digital wire for this, followed by a delay of 1000 to keep the state for 1 second. Then ikakopy lang natin to ng 13 more times pa para sa pin mode 1 hanggang 13. Ito-change lang natin yan, then i-set natin yung specific pin dun sa digital wire or dun sa every digital wire. Now that it's all done, so let's verify it if merong mali dun sa code natin. Just click the check sign on the upper left corner. So as you can see, there's nothing wrong dun sa ating code. So that means that our code is working. Before implementing this in the actual Arduino board, let's test it first in Proteus. So first, let's arrange all the resistors. Then after that, yun namang mga LEDs. After nyan, i-connect na natin yung kabilang paa ng resistors sa digital input pins ng Arduino. Then yung kabilang side naman ng resistors, i-connect natin yan sa positive leg ng LEDs. Then yung negative leg ng lahat ng LEDs, pag-connectahin natin yan at i-connect sa ground. After constructing the circuit, let's upload the code to see if it is working. Just follow the video. As you can see, gumagana siya. Umiilaw yung LED from pin mode 0 to pin 13 na hindi magkakasabay. And it looks like running light. Now let's test it in Proteus. So here are the materials needed: Arduino Uno board, breadboard, resistors, LEDs, and connecting wires. Since same lang naman to ng activity 1 that we discussed in a previous video, same construction lang din siya. Just follow the steps in the video. And this is what it looks like after constructing the circuit. Now, let's see if it is working. So as you can see, gumagana siya sa actual, meaning tama yung code na ginawa natin for this lab activity. Through this activity, we successfully implemented a single bit running light using Arduino Uno. We learned how to control multiple digital pins, apply delays for timing, and test our program in both simulation and hardware setups. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you learned something. See you in the next one.